Hey, hello friends. Today in this video we are going to fix this issue. If you are changing your name on Facebook account and you are getting this error, we require everyone to use the name that they use in everyday life, what their friend call them on Facebook. In this video we are going to fix this issue, and in this video we will also tell you how you can fix this issue, and can you really fix this issue, or what is the policy of changing name on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, as you can see, while we are changing our name on Facebook, then I'm getting this error. And now when we are removing only this extra text like fitness, then it will okay for Facebook. But now the question comes in mind, how can we fix this issue? Here is the solution. The solution is you can't add any name that is not related or that is not exist anymore, or you can say that is not related to human beings, or you can say the name which includes any type of extra name like fitness and water, any name which is not related to human being. You can't change that name on Facebook. The name should be only your real name, because it's a Facebook policy. You can't change your name because Facebook is very strict in terms and conditions. That's why you can't change your Facebook name to your account name or maybe your another name, because Facebook required some authentic and some genuine users that indicate Facebook is a genuine platform. That's why Facebook did not allow you to change your name. Now you understand what is the policy of changing name on Facebook. You can't remove this error, but you can do one thing. You can try only real names. By using this method you can fix this issue, but there is no another method to fix this issue. Okay, and hope you like this video, and if yes, please hit a like button and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Bye bye friends, thank you.